Hey there, Greymanes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the claw fishing rod in Crimson Desert. Now, currently, my location on the map is right next to the Steel Mountains right here, all the way here to the south of the map from Hernan. Now, if you're going here for the very first time, this entire area down here will be surrounded with pirates because this area is linked to a specific quest over on the Velua Fishermen's Guild, where it does involve a somewhat difficult boss fight. And because also the area is completely surrounded with pirates and it will take a while for you to liberate the entire area. Now once you finish that quest line for the Velua fishermen, the people here in Bounty's Net will now go to the location and they will be completely present, including all the other NPCs in the area. Now this is the gap right here that I'm talking about, and the gentleman that we're going to go for is right here, the item fisher. Now we want his fishing rod because that would be the claw fishing rod. Now there is a method for you to make him drop the fishing rod. One of the methods would be to use the blinding flash. And then just walk up to him and he should drop the fishing rod as you can see right there. And then press R to steal it. And there you go, you got the claw fishing rod. Now the claw does have a description that says automatically reel in fish. Unfortunately, that's not true. What it actually means is that just as normal when you try to fish, instead of reeling in a fish using your middle mouse or whatever key it is on the controller, instead of using those keys, you just have to press down space on your keyboard. For example, let me just get a fish right now. And here we go. Let me just press right click to hook it. And just as normal, you pretty much fight against the fish on the different direction. And if you can see there on the bottom right, there's now another option where you just can hold down space like so. So instead of having to constantly scroll your middle mouse, you just have to press down space. And that's pretty much about it on how to get a claw fishing rod in Crimson Desert.